Okay, so I was trying React Native examples but decided to switch to one more framework, which is Lynx. So like React Native, it has its own components, framework, and it can be deployed into Android, iOS and web. Right, so here you see same support, and they also have Xpogo like feature, so you can taste as well. So currently what I can do is can show you the web interface, considering showing you the Lynx Explorer view wouldn't be possible through desktop sharing option, right? So what I can do is I can simply open the quick start option, and one of the option I have with cursor is I can open just new project and say I'll create this Lynx directory, inside which I can create this new project, right? So what I can do is I can put the agent mode, right? We can plan, or we can go with ask as well, right? So we will go with plan, right? Don't need background right now, or ask, right? So let's go with plan, right? So what we're gonna do is we will basically show us the documentation for Lynx framework, right? And we will ask cursor to create a simple water intake app that will have its respective options, right? So that we can design this in Lynx, right? So okay, so we will open this. We'll say create a Lynx app, and then we'll paste our requirements that will track the water intake on regular basis and other features, right? So as you can see, this will track the water intake, to also have progress, animation and reminder at set intervals, right? So use Lynx framework. So now to point out the links, what we can do is we can come back here and then go back to cursor, right? So it will get an idea which framework is this, and it will plan for it, and come up with a direction for app generator like this. So now what I can do, I will simply send this. So it should start with the initial idea on the water intake app, so it will have its notification system. So initially we can turn that off, we can go with other features. So it is currently asking us what to prefer. So it is asking Lynx may have limitation with notification, so we can say ignore notification features. Then we move to next option, water goal setting, customizable goal with setting screen. So here we can see B and C options, right? Then data persistence, for now we can say async storage we can use, or prototype use async storage. And finally we can check progress wave animation, we can use CSS based, right? And if there are any libraries, it can be used as well. Finally comes the tracking part. We can use weekly, monthly stats, daily, weekly, monthly, stats, and progress. Right, so these are some of the options, and this is what we are going with. So we'll say go with next. Now one more thing, you can always go to file, then preference, and then cursor settings. Now before that, you can see the plan is being built out, showing you the project setup. So Lynx will be installed like this, then project structure is here, then core features, implementation, right? All these features here, and screens are explained. Finally it will finish its plan, which is enhancement out of scope, which we don't need actually. So we'll, right, for now you can simply say build the plan. So it will start with that, right? Meanwhile we can go check the links for web project. Right, so simulators are also here. Right, once we start, we can also run it in web, right? And it should display these apps something like this. For some reason seems to be running out on memory. Right, so you can also ask cursor for the guidance on how to run this on web. It will start our project. You can see it has started with package.json. All the respective files will be started, right? So we'll have to also ask for this particular CD addressation, right? So project structure will be created as well. We'll have to also check whether it is coming out and creating it in the root folder as such. Often that part also happens, and it comes out and creates its own directory like that. So it is picking up entire directory instead of creating one. So it started on source itself already. So as you can see, source and then new items. So it is picking the root directory instead of creating one. We'll have to wait to finish its code. Okay, so what we can do, we can ask cursor on that how to run in WebView. Open the project in web browser, right? So this way we can get an idea where this goes. You can close this, you can say save, it will be saved somewhere. Here you can see checking the setup to run app in browser, dependencies. We'll install those things on its own. And once it does, we can also check through this particular browser, right? That will be the default browser. It will be called by the project itself. Right, so basically it will take the React Native's packages and it will run the web view. So it will pretty much show the same sort of output. So I don't see this is being matured project as of yet, considering it is taking the packages from React Native and Expo. So it's still in phase where it has to get its own packages instead of relying on other frameworks. Right, once it goes through all the packages, hopefully we can see in the browser. So this way I can avoid having to connect the phone or even try to get the development mode for this particular app. So in case of development mode, it will use your typical device that your ADB can trigger and show you the view on desktop. Even for that, I think 4 GB image needs to be created, then it will run those apps, right? Okay, so it is opening the browser and trying to show me the preview. Okay, so we started off with the error right now. I may have to copy this entire Lynx error. So totally unmatured framework right now. Okay, so after fixing few issues, you will get the display something like this. Lynx framework is not matured, so it will take longer compared to React Native. As you can see, currently it will show you typical options, but it's not at all matured right now. Okay, as you drink the water, it will show this whole setup like some sort of a glass. You can also remove your progress if you are trying to cheat. Then comes settings, so data can be wiped out, keeps track. Then comes goals, right? You want to drink certain amount, right? So water intake in milliliters per day, right? So it seems like it is taking that profile with weight and lifestyle and then recommended goal. Say your weight is something like this, then it will adjust the goal. You can see glasses, that would make this easier. So once profile is saved, you can come back here. Notice you have certain goal in settings, right? 4620. So even with Lynx framework, we managed to build this hydration tracker.